Hey, if you want to use voice typing in the Samsung A27 5G, let me quickly show you how it actually works. So we have to just simply go for the settings, scroll all the way down for general management. Right now open the Samsung keyboard settings and scroll all the way down for a voice input options. Now select the voice input that you are going to use, so you can use this one from the Google or Samsung. In this video I'm going to show you how to do this with a Samsung. Also, what is important that if you plan to use this offline without internet like Wi-Fi or mobile data, make sure that you are gonna download offline language pack because it's not working when you are not connected to the internet. So if you want to make some notes, for example, when you are offline, you have to actually get some language pack. For me, English from United States, I have to just simply download it. Now you will be redirected for the Galaxy Store. If you don't sign in with a Samsung account, you will have to do this right now because without this, it will be not possible to download it. Now, what you can also do that turn off the hide offensive words filter. And now when you are here, we have to go back and select keyboard settings. There we go. And now make sure that you are gonna enable this one, input method button on the navigation bar. Now just simply open your keyboard anywhere and you are looking for this icon on the right or the left side, and when you tap on it for the first time you will have to also grant permission for a microphone.